Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind: fat loss. If you're looking to shed those extra pounds and achieve a healthier lifestyle, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 amazing foods that can support your fat loss goals. These foods are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that will help you on your journey to a slimmer, fitter you. So, let's get started. Before we embark on our journey towards fat loss, it's crucial to understand how fat accumulates in our bodies. This knowledge will help us make informed decisions and adopt strategies to combat excess fat. So, let's take a closer look at how fat increases in our bodies. Caloric surplus. The primary driver of fat gain is a caloric surplus. When we consume more calories than our bodies require for daily activities and basic functions, the excess energy is stored as fat. These surplus calories can come from any macronutrient, carbohydrates, proteins, or fats. Lipogenesis. When we consume excess calories, the body converts and stores them as triglycerides through a process called lipogenesis. Triglycerides are a type of fat that accumulate in our fat cells, leading to weight gain and increased body fat percentage. Hormonal factors. Hormones also play a significant role in fat accumulation. Insulin, for instance, is released in response to elevated blood sugar levels, and its primary function is to transport glucose into cells. However, when insulin levels remain consistently high due to excessive carbohydrate consumption, it can promote fat storage and hinder fat burning. Sedentary lifestyle. A sedentary lifestyle, with minimal physical activity and prolonged sitting, can contribute to fat accumulation. When we lead a predominantly inactive lifestyle, we burn fewer calories, making it easier for our bodies to store excess energy as fat. Genetics and individual variations. It's important to note that genetics and individual variations also influence fat accumulation. Some individuals may be genetically predisposed to store fat more easily, particularly in certain areas of the body, such as the abdomen or thighs. However, these genetic factors can be managed and overcome with lifestyle changes. Understanding the factors that contribute to fat gain, including a caloric surplus, lipogenesis, hormonal factors, sedentary lifestyle, and genetic variations, empowers us to make targeted changes for effective fat loss. Now, let's explore the amazing foods that can support our fat loss journey. Leafy greens segment. Our first food for fat loss is leafy greens. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and collard greens are not only low in calories but also rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. In this segment, we'll explore the benefits of leafy greens and discover creative ways to incorporate them into your diet. Get ready for some delicious salad ideas, sautéed greens, and even sneaky smoothie recipes that will have you craving these nutritional powerhouses. Leafy greens can be enjoyed in various ways. You can add them to salads, stir-fries, or soups. They can also be sautéed with garlic and olive oil as a delicious side dish. Another option is to blend them into smoothies for a nutrient-packed drink. Lean protein segment. Lean proteins are the next star players in our fat loss journey. Chicken breast, turkey, fish, tofu, and Greek yogurt are all excellent sources of lean protein that can help you feel fuller for longer, preserve muscle mass, and boost your metabolism. In this segment, we'll explore mouth-watering recipes that make the most of these protein sources. Lean proteins can be cooked in different ways to keep them healthy and flavorful. You can grill or bake chicken breast or fish with herbs and spices for a delicious and lean main course. Tofu can be stir-fried or added to salads and soups. Greek yogurt can be eaten on its own or used as a creamy topping for fruits and whole grain cereals. From grilled chicken and fish to satisfying vegetarian options, we've got you covered with a variety of options that will keep your taste buds and waistline happy. Whole grains segment. Now, let's talk about the importance of whole grains in your fat loss journey. Quinoa, brown rice, oats, and whole wheat products are not only packed with fiber but also provide sustained energy. In this segment, we'll showcase creative ways to enjoy these grains, from hearty grain bowls and tasty oatmeal recipes to wholesome bread and pasta options. Get ready to discover delicious ways to incorporate whole grains into your meals without sacrificing flavor. Whole grains can be used as a base for many meals.
Cook quinoa or brown rice and use them as a side dish or in grain bowls.
Oats can be enjoyed as a warm breakfast porridge or added to smoothies for extra fiber. Whole wheat products like bread and pasta can be included in meals, but it's important to watch portion sizes. Berries segment. Who says healthy eating can't be sweet? Berries are our secret weapon for satisfying those sweet cravings while supporting fat loss. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are not only low in calories but also loaded with antioxidants and fiber. In this segment, we'll show you how to incorporate these delicious gems into your diet. From refreshing smoothie recipes to mouth-watering berry desserts, you won't believe that you can enjoy something so tasty while still working towards your fat loss goals. Berries are versatile and can be enjoyed in numerous ways. They can be eaten fresh as a snack or added to yogurt, oatmeal, or whole grain cereals. Blend them into smoothies or use them as a topping for pancakes or waffles. Frozen berries can also be used in baking or to make homemade fruit sorbets. Nuts and seeds segment. Last but certainly not least, we have nuts and seeds, the perfect snacks and toppings to enhance your fat loss journey. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber. In this segment, we'll share some creative ways to enjoy these nutritional powerhouses. From homemade energy bars and nut butter recipes to crunchy salad toppers, you'll find plenty of tasty and satisfying ideas that will keep you on track towards your fat loss goals. Nuts and seeds can be consumed as snacks or added to meals. Enjoy a handful of almonds or walnuts as a satisfying snack between meals. Sprinkle chia seeds or flax seeds on top of salads, yogurt, or oatmeal. You can also incorporate them into smoothies or use them as a coating for baked chicken or fish. And there you have it, our top 5 amazing foods for fat loss. Incorporating these nutrient-rich foods into your diet can help you on your journey to a healthier you. Remember, it's all about balance and moderation. Stay tuned for more tips, tricks, and recipes to support your fat loss goals. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.